Dear friends, in class 9 we are studying 11th lesson constructions, and in exercise 11.1 we have third question. Construct the angles of the following measurements. First is 30 degrees angle. Let us see how it can be constructed. So for this, draw a ray. You can draw a ray facing either to the left or to the right. This is an initial point of ray YZ. Please note Y is the initial point, and in this case this is QR. Q is the initial point of the ray QR. Now let us see how 30-degree angle can be constructed. For this, take a compass. On it take any distance, suitable distance. Make an arc by keeping the compass at point Y. Now please don't change the distance on the compass and keep the compass at the intersection point of the arc and the ray. Please note, I have not changed the distance of the compass. This is a 60 degree. This measure is 60 degree. That is what we have studied yesterday also. Now we have to bisect it. So if you make two parts of 30 degree, if you bisect 60 degrees, we will get 30 degrees. So to bisect 60 degrees, please watch. I am keeping the compass at the intersection point of the two arcs. Then I am keeping the compass at the intersection point of the arc and the ray. This intersection point will give us 30 degrees angle. So this is an 30-degree angle. Let us name some point X on this ray. So angle XYZ is equal to 30 degrees. This can be verified with the help of protractor. See, if you keep the protractor, please note, zero line of the protractor must coincide with the ray YZ. So see that the central point of the protractor is this point, that is the sun center. You have to keep at vertex Y. Now when ray coincide with 0, you will notice our ray YX coincides with 30 degrees of the protractor. Now if 30 degree is to be drawn in opposite direction, then how to draw? Keep the compass, take a suitable distance on the compass, keep the compass at point Y, make an arc. Without changing the distance, make an arc which will intersect the earlier arc. Now we know that this intersection will give us 60 degrees angle. We have to bisect this 60 degrees. So make an arc between these two arcs. This intersection point will give us 30 degrees angle. This point is PQR. It can be again verified with the help of protractor. Please note, this time our ray is QR going towards the left direction. So we have to use this side 0, the other side 0. When 0 coincides with ray QR, this ray QP coincides with 30 degree angle. You can watch carefully. QR coincides with 0 degrees and QP coincides with 30 degrees angle. This is an 30 degrees angle. Let us name it. Angle PQR is equal to 30 degrees. Now, next is construction of 22 and half degrees. So, to construct 22 and half degrees, again we make two arcs. Second question is to construct 22 and half degrees. For this, again I am taking two rays facing each other so that you will understand how it can be drawn if it is to be drawn either way. This time I am taking ray BC and EF. Now please note 22 and half is half of 45 degrees. So in second question we have drawn an angle of 45 degrees. If we are able to bisect 45 degrees, then we can construct a 22 and half degrees. So we will use the methods that we have studied earlier. So for this, take a compass, a suitable distance on a compass, and make an arc which will intersect the arcs, the ray. Now, first we have to draw 60 degrees, then 120 degrees, then bisect 120 degrees, that is the another 60 to get 90 degrees. So we will get a 90 degree angle. Watch carefully. This is 60 degree arc, this is another 60, that is 120 degree arc. Now this will give us 90 degrees. We need the intersection point of the arc and verify whether our pencil touches this. I need this arc, this intersection point, because I have to bisect 90 degrees to get the 45 degrees. So keep the compass at the intersection point of the 90 degrees, and please note we have to bisect 90 degrees, that is 0 and 90 must be bisected. So for this, make an arc, intersection arc. Now this intersection of the two arcs had given me 45 degrees, but that is not the question asked. We are asked to find 22 and half degrees. So I have got the intersection point. This is 45 degrees. So again bisect 45 degrees. Please note I need this point, that's why I have drawn the line. Now draw a ray passing through the intersection of the two arcs. Take some point on the ray and verify whether it is 22 and half degrees. So to verify it, let us verify it with the help of protractor. See, when 0 coincides with the ray BC, this 22 and half degrees coincides with ray BA. Now next is EF ray. So how to construct EF? This time I am going to construct 45 degrees by other way. That is, I am going to construct 60 degrees and then going to bisect 30 degrees and 60 degrees. So you can draw the either way. So for this, keep the compass at vertex E, make a suitable arc, then without changing the distance, please note, make another arc. This is 60 degrees, bisect 60 degrees. So if you bisect 60 degrees, you will get 30 degrees. Now we need the intersection point of 30 degrees. and the arc. So we have to draw a line. This is 30 degrees. Now we have to bisect the, please note, this is 30 degrees and the remaining is 30 degrees. So I am bisecting the second 30 degrees. For that I am keeping compass here. Watch carefully where I am keeping. Now draw a line passing through the intersection point of the arcs. So this is 45 degrees, please note. So I have got, this was 30 degrees, this is 60 degrees. Intersection, bisection of the another 30 will give me 15 and 15. So total angle is 45 degrees. Now we have to bisect 45 degrees to get 22 and half degrees. So for that, take a compass, keep it here, and please note the point, intersection point of the 45 degree array. This will give me 22 and half degrees. You can name any point on the ray as D. So angle DEF is 22 and half degrees. It can be verified if you keep the compass on the ray EF, 0 marking, 0, 0 line getting coincide with EF. You will notice that ED coincides with 22 and half degrees. So this is an 22 and half degrees. This angle is also 22 and half degrees. So any one method can be followed to construct 22 and half degrees angle. Okay, next is constructing 15-degree angle. So to construct 15-degree angle, first let's draw a ray. Let us name it as QR and ST. Now please note, 15 degree is half of 30 degrees. So we know how to construct 30 degrees. Bisect 30 degrees to get 15 degrees angle. For this, take a suitable distance on a compass and make an arc which will intersect the rays. Now keep the compass at the intersection point. Make an arc. Please note, this is 60 degrees. Without changing distance, we have made an arc. Then again make 30 degrees. Bisect this 60 degrees. You will get 30 degrees. Now we need the intersection point of the arc. So we have to draw the line. So this is 30 degree. We have to bisect 30 degrees to get 15 degrees. This angle is 15 degrees. Angle PQR angle PQR is equal to 15 degrees. Then next is ST. For this take any distance on the compass. Be sure your compass does not change the position. Then intersect it. We have to bisect 60 degrees to get 30 degrees first. Bisect 60 degrees to get 30 degrees. Now we need the intersection point of this arc and the 30 degrees. So draw a line. Be sure whether the line touches. Then bisects this 30 degree angle to get 60 degrees. So here we will get 15 degrees. So this distance, take some point ST, this is U and this is PQR. So this angle is 15 degrees. We can say angle PQR in this figure is 15 degrees and in this figure angle TSU is equal to 15 degrees.